Now, we are going to be solving this quadratic inequality. Now, the first thing you do when you are solving questions like this is that, so we have, the question we have here is s squared minus 2x minus 8 is greater than what? 0. Now, one of those things you have to do is that you have to use factorization method here. At least, this is factorize 0. So what you are going to be doing is that you factorize the quadratic expression greater than 0. So what am I going to do? Okay, we have to show how we are going to do that. So what you are doing is that you look for two numbers. When you're factorizing, you look for two numbers that when you multiply together, it will give you minus 8. The two factors of 8, that when you multiply together, it will give you minus 8. And when you add together, it will give you minus 2. Don't forget, every number has two possible factors, either negative or positive. Now, the two factors of minus 8, that's when I multiply together, it will give me minus 8. And when I add together, it will give me minus 2. It's minus 4. It is minus 4 and plus 2. Because minus 4 times 2 will give me minus 8. Minus 4 plus 2 will give me minus 2. I think you get that, right? So we are using minus 4 and plus 2. So from there, factorizing, we have s squared minus s squared plus 2x minus 4x minus 8. So when you are factorizing, one thing you do is that you put the two numbers you get, you put them in the middle, plus 2, then multiply it with x. You know, the two factors is plus 2 and minus 4. So plus 2 times s will give me plus 2x. Minus 4 times s will give me minus 4s. So by the time you do this, by the time you carry out this operation, you're having this back. It will give you, because plus 2s minus 4s will give me minus 2x back. And I have minus 8s squared. Do we get that? Now, from here, I'll take common factor. I'll group them. Like this is what I'm saying. I'll group them like this. So I'll factorize. They have x in common here. So I have x into bracket s plus 2. Yeah, minus, they have 4 in common. That's minus 4 into bracket x plus 2 also. Okay, solving this one further. I have okay, you pick one. When you're factorizing, this one they are common factors. So you pick one out, then you bring this one together. So you are doing x plus 2 and here x minus 4. So from here, greater than 0. You know, when you are solving quadratic expression, you know, you have to find the solution. This one, it means x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to what? 4. Now we are going to be using number line to get our solution. Now I have minus 2, this region, and I have 4 plus 4. Now this is what we are going to be doing. Now this, we have 3 regions in this place. Now this is the first region. So we have region 1. Here we have region 2, and here we have region 3. Now, what we are going to be doing now is that we are going to be putting this factor. We are going to be putting any possible value in this region. This is x, negative x axis, that's positive x axis. Now, any value in this region into this expression, if it is greater than 0, that means it is correct. It is acceptable for this quadratic expression. Quadratic inequality rather. Now this is what we do. Let's pick any number from, now you know, from minus 2 like this, we have minus 3, minus 4. So let's pick any number from here. When x is, let's use the minus 3. So when we have minus 3, when you put minus 3 in this place, you have minus 3 plus 2 into bracket minus 3 minus 4 greater than 0. So minus 3 plus 2 will give me minus 1. Minus 1 times minus 7 will give me what? Positive 7, which is actually greater than 0. It satisfies this inequality. So that means this region is correct, it's acceptable. So here I have positive answer, so it is correct. Now let's pick any value. In the second region, we have the value between minus 2 and 4. So let's pick any value in between minus 2 and 4 to test out whether it is acceptable for this quadratic inequality. So let's use 1. One falls in between minus 2 and 4. So let's use 1. So we have 1 plus 2 into bracket 1 minus 4. Is it going to be greater than 0? Now we have 3 times 1 minus 4 will give you minus 3. 3 times minus 3 will give you minus 9. And actually, minus 9 is not greater than 0. Minus 9 is less than 0. So this part, this region does not satisfy this inequality. So I'm going to cancel this region. It does not satisfy this inequality. Now let's test the last region. The last region, the last region start like any number that falls in between 4 and any number greater than 4. So I'm going to be using 5 here. This region belongs to, okay, let's use 5 here. So let's put 5 here. 5 plus 2 is a bracket of 5 minus 4 is equal to greater than 0. So we have 7 times 5 minus 4 is 1. 7 times 1, that's 7. Actually, 7, positive 7 is greater than 0. So that means this region also satisfies this equation. So finally, my solution of this quadratic inequality will be the regions. For this region, that's x is less than 2. You know, when you're always facing this side, like this, and from here, like this. So my solution will be x is less than minus 2 or x greater than greater than 4. When your arrow is facing the side, that means x is greater than 4. So this is the solution for this quadratic inequality.